Hey friend, let's keep it going with the second half of these smart, real-world money-saving hacks for surviving a recession. These next 5 are ones people sleep on, but they seriously work. So let's jump back in. Number 6, leverage your local library. Okay, hear me out. Libraries are a gold mine, and not just for books. These days you can borrow movies, audiobooks, music, even power tools and board games depending on where you live. Some libraries even lend out museum passes, hotspots, and have free online classes through platforms like LinkedIn Learning or even language apps. And the best part, it's all free. If you haven't stepped into a library since high school, it's time to dust off that library card and see what they've got going on. 7, use tools that lower your bills. If you've never tried services like Rocket Money, Trim, or Bill Shark, this is your sign. These tools negotiate your bills for you. Yep, they'll call your phone company, internet provider, or cable company and try to get you a lower rate. You just upload your bills and they do the heavy lifting, and they only take a small cut of the savings. So if they don't save you anything, you don't pay anything. It's a zero-risk way to possibly knock $10, $20, or even $50 off your monthly expenses without doing a thing. Number 8, transportation savings. Gas prices have been acting like they're on a roller coaster. One day it's $3.20, the next day it's almost $4. If you don't drive much, call your car insurance company and ask if they offer low mileage discounts. You'd be surprised how many do, and it could save you money every month. Also, try grouping errands together so you're not making 5 separate trips a week. Got coworkers nearby? Start carpooling. Or, if you're close to work or the store, ride your bike or even walk when you can. It's good for your wallet and your health. Number 9, resell before you replace. Let's say you need something new, maybe a blender, maybe a laptop. Before you swipe that card, ask yourself, what can I sell first? We all have stuff lying around we don't use anymore. Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, OfferUp. People are always looking for secondhand items. That old purse, the kitchen gadget collecting dust, the jacket you haven't worn in 2 winters. List it and turn it into quick cash. You might be able to cover your next purchase without spending a dime of new money. Number 10, join Buy Nothing and local free groups. This one is underrated and so powerful. Look up Buy Nothing groups on Facebook or check out apps like Nextdoor. These are local communities where people give away stuff they no longer need for free. I've seen people score everything from baby clothes and canned food to couches and printers. You just post what you need or claim what someone else is giving away. It's community-based, it's eco-friendly, and it's completely free. Perfect for families, college students, or anyone trying to stretch their dollars. And there you have it. 10 recession-proof money-saving hacks, and the last 5 are some of my favorites because they feel like little wins. You don't have to give up everything or go full minimalist to make your money work for you. Just a few intentional changes and a little creativity go a long way. If any of these tips made you go, oh snap, I'm doing that, let me know in the comments. Drop a or tell me which hack you're going to try first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can keep leveling up your money game with me. Thanks for watching, friend. Stay smart, stay creative, and keep saving.